when you sent out this, strike that, did you send out this tweet, Ms. Greene? Ms. Wells, did you put it back up?
Yes.
Okay. And when you sent out this tweet, you wanted the people who read the tweet to know that it was your view that the votes for Mr. Biden for president were fraudulent, or some of them were, right?
That really wasn't the purpose of that tweet.
I'm just asking whether when you sent this, you were communicating to the people who read your Twitter account that you believed that there were fraudulent votes for Mr. Biden and that your goal was to keep President Trump in the White House.
I was communicating that we were looking for a senator to join our objection, which is very much part of the responsibilities and duties that I can do as a member of Congress.
I agree with that, but the purpose of that was because you believed that the votes for Mr. Biden were fraudulent, right? Or at least some of them.
We had been spending a vast amount of time reading and researching and talking to people, and had seen tremendous evidence of voter fraud. I don't know if you're aware, because I know you're not from Georgia. We currently have, our Secretary of State has an
Your Honor,
investigation going on into
I'm
election
entitled to
fraud
get
right
answers to
now.
my questions.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Representative Greene. All right, let's back up.
By the
What was
way,
que-
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt, but we missed something very important. Can the representative be sworn?
Oh, thank you. No, I swore in. She was
Okay,
sworn in.
okay, I didn't see that. I'm sorry.
I thought I forgot. Sorry, thank you.
All right. And can I ask the court to acknowledge that this is an adverse witness,
Yes,
a
yeah,
hostile
I
witness?
acknowledge that she's an adverse witness, and you
And-
may therefore cross-examine.
Right.
Even
And-
though she may, it's only your case in chief, yes, I acknowledge.
And I would ask the court to remind the witness that in this posture, she has to answer my questions. She can't give speeches. Is that fair?
You're entitled to an answer to the question that is asked.
She's
You're not
also entitled to
make-
make her answer.
You're not entitled to answers that are, to require her to answer when the question is objectionable, violates her First Amendment rights, is irrelevant to the charges that are being made, just to what? Fishing expedition, political theater, what is this?
This is cross-examination.
No, this is cross-examination.
I'm entitled to a
Let's-
yes,
let's-
no, or I can't answer
Let's
response.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Unless this is objectionable.
You have a standing objection, Mr. Bob, to everything in the world. I want to question your witness. Let me-
Okay, gentlemen, wait a minute. That's enough. Stop. Mr. Bob, please sit down. Next question, Mr. Chuck. This is not theater. This is not an argument from the Supreme Court. This is an evidentiary hearing. So let's get going. Go ahead, Mr. Chuck.